About 100 million years ago, the world's largest animal, dinosaurs, roamed the land. At that time, the landscape was completely different from today. There were no humans, only nature, and these ferocious creatures dominated the earth. These animals were taller than modern buildings, with jaws strong enough to shatter bones in an instant. Dinosaurs ruled the earth for 100 to 70 million years, but in just one day, they disappeared entirely. What exactly happened that day? Before exploring their extinctions, let's go back in time. In 1677, Robert Lowe discovered a giant fossil and believed it belonged to an ancient human. He had no idea it was something that would amaze the world. Time passed, and in 1819, British fossil hunter William Buckland found a massive fossil after 5 years of research. The fossil was named Dinosaur, derived from Greek Dino meaning terrible and Saurus meaning lizard. Thousands of dinosaur fossils have been discovered since, revealing over 900 species. In 2021, new dinosaur species were found, some with unique features like blade-like tails dating back to 40 million years, the earliest period of dinosaurs. The Triassic saw small species evolve into giants. Around 201 million years ago, Earth's supercontinent Pangaea split into two, ending the Triassic period and ushering in the Jurassic period. Dinosaurs grew larger and species like flying Archaeopteryx emerged. The Jurassic transitioned into the Cretaceous period 145 to 60 million years ago. This area saw the rise of iconic species like raptors, Argentinosaurus, and the famous Tyrannosaurus rex, means T-Rex. With its immensely powerful jaws, grass also began growing during this time, billion times greater than the Hiroshima bomb. The Earth's surface temperature soared to 1200 degrees Celsius, reducing dinosaurs to ashes. The impact triggered fires, widespread destruction, and a new area where smaller animals survived. Dinosaurs' rules of Earth for millions of years vanished in an instant, making way for new life. These events marked the end of the dinosaurs and the beginning of a new chapter for Earth. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel.